Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you'll start your vehicle, which this is already started. And then from your main display here, we can go to settings. And then it's a touch screen, so you could hit Bluetooth. You also could go through phone, but Bluetooth. And there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one. But we'll do connect new device. And then here we've got a list of devices. So here, so let's say we want to delete one, just hit delete, and then now we've cleared a spot. Now we're going to add new. So here we're going to make sure your Bluetooth's on your phone, which is that symbol, and often if you press and hold it, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So pair new device, and then my car is what we're looking for. Sometimes this might take a few minutes to pop up, and then if you need to verify too, these random numbers do match the security code on the screen. So we'll hit pair. And in just a few moments, it should sync it all up. Bluetooth connection successful. And then you can always allow more connectivity for your phone, so you get more options. But now that that's connected, you should be able to take calls, texts, play music, things like that. And newer models, you should be able to do things like sync navigation and maps as well. But that's it. And then if you're having issues getting music to play, first I check that you've got volume on your phone and that you're actively playing. And then under your audio here, you can switch between your options till you find what we're looking for. So like Bluetooth audio. And then in here, make sure your volume's on your radio as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.